Good morning. Let's begin by standing with our feet shoulder-width apart. Take a deep breath and let it go. Interlace your fingers, draw them up and rotate the palms towards the heavens. Then exhale and release your hands and float down. Sink a little. Repeat. Inhale and stretch up. Exhale, let go and sink. Again. Inhale and this time come onto your toes. Stretch and wake up your whole nervous system. Exhale, relax down. This time we stretch to the left to make space in the right side of the body. Inhale, center. Exhale to the right and open the left side of your body. Repeat one more time on each side. Now center and rotate from your center left. Wake up your digestive organs. Inhale, center. Exhale to the right. Do this one more time on each side. And notice how we massage the internal organs by twisting and rotating the upper body. Back to center and open your arms. Open your heart to the universe. With the exhale, wrap your fingers around your thumbs and dive down into the drinking bird. Arms overhead, bend the wrists for a nice stretch. Inhale, roll up your spine, open the chest. Exhale, dive down and make the mudra with your fingers. Bend from your wrists. Keep flowing with your breath and feel the energy flow through your body. This is a great stretch for the Ren and Dumai Meridian that run up the back of the body and down the front of the body. The mudra seals the energy. By bending the wrists, we stretch the meridians, tendons, and muscles in the arms. This time, stay down and hang for a moment. Then begin to massage under the sit bones, down the backside of the legs. You can make small circles. This is excellent in the morning and activates the bladder meridian. Now slap down from the top to the bottom. Next, slide down and then out the toes. Start with your pinky toe. Pull the energy out, and with each toe release stagnant energy. Simply pull out and let go. Lastly, brush out a few more times to smooth the chi. Roll yourself up softly. We flow right into knocking on the door of life. Move from your central axis. Keep your spine upright. Relax your arms and let them knock across the lower abdomen and lower back. This stimulates our digestive system and wakes our energy in the morning. Look forward and begin to simply knock on the belly button on the front and opposite on the back. That's the Mingmen point, your door of life. Keep on breathing and cleansing the body and mind. This practice is called drumming the heavenly gong and wakes the internal organs. It's a perfect practice to do in the morning and on an empty stomach to wake up our digestive system. Make light fists and knock just below the belly button on the chi high point or on the sea of chi. Then come to the right, I mirror you, and up to the liver. Good morning, liver. Cross over to the spleen on the left. Good morning, spleen. Now down and in a circle around in the direction of peristalsis. We meet on chi high on the center again. Then lay your hands onto your lower abdomen, your center of vitality. Now chi hua, fire breathing. Inhale and a sharp exhale through the nose. This is fire breathing. Only breathe through your nose. With a relaxed inhale, the belly moves out. With a sharp exhale, the belly draws towards the spine. Feel your belly rise and sink with each breath. Now exhale completely and hold the breath out. Open your arms to the sides. Hold your breath, cleansing and purifying your internal energy. Take a reset breath and relax. Well done. Let's do another round. This time we use our hands to mimic the motion of our belly. With a relaxed inhale, the hands move forward. With a strong exhale, the hands and belly draw towards the spine. Keep breathing and creating that cleansing fire in your body. Now exhale all out, hold the breath. When you're empty, guide the chi to your palms and feel a nice heat, as if you're holding two suns in your palms. Relax. And inhale, draw the hands overhead. Exhale with a inhale and exhale the lung sound. One last time to reset and cleanse the body and mind. Hands face the earth for a moment. Next, the Peristalsis Pump. Inhale with light fists by the sides of your body. Exhale, blow out the mouth and flow your arms and open palms back. Inhale, pump the energy. Exhale, release it. The Peristalsis Pump works with a gentle pumping action, stimulating the natural peristaltic waves of the digestive system. This rhythmic flow awakens your core, supports healthy digestion and elimination. Imagine your energy becoming cleaner with every inhale and exhale, and relax. We draw down the heavens 3 times to wash everything away and balance ourselves. Imagine it like a shower that rinses the body, mind and spirit, leaving you feeling clear and focused. Now let's wake the mind with some tapping practices. Clap your hands together and rub to create friction, warmth and energy. Then begin to tap your forehead with light fingers as if you're playing the piano. Tap the third eye in the center. Inhale, and with the exhale, swap the hands and keep tapping and waking your creativity and inner vision. Relax down. Shake it off and rub again, energizing the fingers, our 10 dragons. Now glide with your fingertips over the center line of your head. Then let your 10 dragons run through the forest, combing with your fingers through your hair, massaging the scalp, increasing the blood flow and circulation in the brain. Brush your fingers off and enjoy this beautiful tingling sensation. Next, we open the Bai Hui point. Thumbs touch the tip of the ears, middle fingers land on the center point. Massage lightly or hold and press. This is the highest point on your body. Massaging it helps to bring blood flow and release stagnation. It also supports the release of tension or headaches. Now hold and press. Inhale, and with the exhale, flow your arms down. Imagine breathing through this point. Next is spinal cord breathing. Make light fists, open the chest by drawing the elbows back, shoulder blades flow together, and look upwards. Exhale, elbows come forward and flow together, chin to the chest. Keep your spine upright and only tug your chin and tailbone towards each other. Again, inhale, open the chest. Feel a beautiful deep stretch. Exhale, feel your upper back opening. Keep moving with your breath. This movement activates the craniosacral pump to circulate cerebrospinal fluid through the brain and spinal cord. We call the spine the highway of Qi. When our spine is flexible, our organs and whole body are happy and nourished with energy and flow. Now this time open to the left. Exhale center. Inhale to the right. One more time on each side. We meet at the center and we begin to pump. Inhale, open, and exhale, pump by drawing your tailbone towards your elbows and pump. Inhale, open, exhale, pump. Wonderful. Relax. Shake it off and roll your shoulders a few times to release any tension. Now hold one hand in the other. Flow up with the palms facing up. Exhale, flow forward and down halfway. With the inhale, roll up your spine. Exhale, flow forward. Now, if it is available to you, you can make your stance a little wider and flow all the way down into the full body flow or Yin Yang Flow. When we inhale, we rise up. When we exhale, we fold forward. Be mindful and roll up vertebrae by vertebrae. This movement is a flexion and extension that opens the cranial pump and the renmai, the conception meridian. Keep flowing. Now inhale up, and with the exhale flow the hands down the sides of your body with the palms facing. Pulse the energy 3 times into our integration with the Bai Hui Flow. With the inhale, raise the energy up the sides of the body to the crown and exhale, flow out. Pulse 3 times in rhythm with your breath. Again, inhale, raise it upwards to the crown and exhale, flow out and down. One more time. Now pulse and form a powerful Qi pearl. Feel the energy condense. And then guide it to your Qi high. Let it sink deep into your body. To support our digestion in the morning, we clap the teeth together and collect our highly potent and energized saliva. With your tongue, sweep over your teeth and collect it by swirling your tongue around to form the elixir pill for longevity, also called gushu. Now swallow and guide it down and let it settle in your lower dantian, in your lower abdomen. And begin to rub your belly in a clockwise motion. Spread all this good, vibrant, and healthy Qi in your body for digestion and vitality. Reverse the movement and spiral inward. Until you come to stillness at your Qi high. We step the feet together. Thank you for flowing with me May your day be filled with vibrant energy and health. See you tomorrow morning. And to make the practice even more powerful, you can repeat this every morning with me and have a tall glass of hot lemon water on an empty stomach before you begin with our practice. This is a wonderful cleanse and aids digestion and energy flow. If you enjoyed this practice and like to learn more about Qigong and vitality practices, you can visit my website at zenbodyflow.com and join my newsletter to keep in touch. If you would like to become a certified Qigong Flow instructor, contact me for more information. You find all links in the description box underneath the video. Thank you for your support. Thank you for liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel. With so much gratitude. Bye-bye.